Hello everyone, my name is Kyle Raymack and this is my final project submission for CS214 at Colorado State. I've developed an Android app using Android Studio that combines clustering algorithms from our previous assignments to create custom playlists. Users start by choosing their mood, chill, upbeat, groovy, or hype. Then they select a song and enhance their playlists with genres like jazz, pop, hip-hop, or country. The app then clusters songs around the chosen track and adds the selected genres. Finally, users can share their playlists directly from the app using the social platform of their choice. All of the source code is provided within the final project repository located on GitHub. I will now show you 5 functional scenarios using the app. Taking a first quick look at the app, we can see the different moods here. Each of the moods contain different song and ratings files that will ultimately shape the playlist. In the first scenario, I will select the chill mood with no enhancements. In this ratings file, all of the user ratings are cooperative with lots of scattered signal values, as you can see to the left. I will select a song to build my playlist around. And for this scenario, I'm selecting no enhancements, create playlist. And we can see here that the playlist is created around clustering similar songs around the selected song, and then it removes the songs that are in the furthest clusters. We can then share this playlist through any social media platform we choose. In the second scenario, I will be selecting the upbeat mood, which has a ratings file that contains one cooperative user in the third column. I will also select the hip-hop genre to enhance the final playlist. As we can see, the final playlist now has hip-hop songs scattered in the clustered playlist in order for the user to experience a different genre. We can then share the playlist like before. In the third scenario, I will select the groovy genre that has 2 fewer ratings columns than the other 2 files we've previously seen. I will also select the country and pop genre to enhance the final playlist with. As we can see, the more genres we add to the list, the longer the playlist becomes. Again, these songs are clustered around the selected song depending on the user ratings. If we take a look at the song file, we can see that the songs are chosen because they are similar and the songs that were removed. In the fourth scenario, I will select the hype mood that contains 2 uncooperative users in the ratings file. You can see all zeros here and alternating zeros and 5s in the last column. So hype. And for this scenario, I'll select three genres to enhance the playlist with. Again, we can see the playlist gets longer. And that is scenario 4. For the fifth and final scenario, I will choose the chill mood again, but I will select all the enhancements and let's see what the final playlist looks like. And that is scenario 5. Now that we've seen 5 different functional scenarios, I will now show 3 error scenarios for the app. Since this app doesn't necessarily take input from the user, these error scenarios will involve modifying the input files that are used to generate the playlists. Also, in Android development, the errors cannot be displayed with system.error. Instead, error messages are captured in the Android logging system and can be viewed in the logcat panel of Android Studio. The first scenario is when the file lines of the song file and the ratings file are mismatched. As we can see here, the error is thrown correctly as it gives us the message file lines do not match. The second error scenario is when there is a rating in the ratings file that is not an integer from 0 to 5. Here we can see there's a 6 in the last row of the ratings file. Looking at the logcat, we can see the error is thrown correctly. Rating must be between 0 and 5. The third error scenario is when there is an invalid rating within the ratings file that is a non-integer character. As we can see in the second to last row here, there is an AND symbol. Looking at the logcat, we can see the error is thrown correctly again. It says invalid rating for input string AND. Alright, and that about does it for this project video. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.